scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Particle diagrams can be tricky, but we will solve this chemistry problem fast by counting the molecules left over after the reaction is complete. Look at the after diagram to see 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules were produced. We also see 2 oxygen molecules that did not react at all during this process. Using the balanced equation, producing 6 carbon dioxide molecules requires 3 moles of ethene and 9 moles of oxygen. This ratio is key to finding the correct initial mixture for us. Adding the 9 reacted oxygen moles to the 2 leftover moles gives 11 total. That makes option B our final winner for this chemistry challenge. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.